Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Buzzwire game.
I lost.
Where you can be able to bend it to change the difficulty and make the game more interesting and challenging. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. What you're going to need is this flat wooden board, a passive buzzer, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery clip, some thick copper wire that's used for electrical work, and this one is for the game part. And this wire here is the hook wire to be able to play the game. As you can see, I took the insulation off from this wire, and I have wrapped it around this battery just to get this shape. And I designed it where there's a little gap, so that way you can be able to insert it into the game. And this end I removed the insulation, so that way I can be able to attach it to the circuit. Next I'm going to take this wire here, which I call the game wire, and I need to remove the insulation to be able to have perfect contact with the hook. And there you have it, the insulation is now removed. I want to take these ends and connect it to each of these holes, just like that. So what I'm going to do is stretch it out and bend it to the desired shape. First I'm just going to start with an arch. And I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue inside the hole and put the wire inside the hole, just like this. Hot glue it more, so that way it's in more secured. And repeat the same process on the other end. And there, it should look just like this. Next, I want to bend the wire into my desired position, so that way I can be able to play the game. Just like this. And there, it should look just like that. Next, I'm going to need to create the circuit for this project. First, I'm going to glue down the passive buzzer. And I'm going to place it right there, on that corner. Next, I'm going to take the negative of the buzzer and solder it to the game wire. First, I'm going to tin the game wire, so that way there's easy solder contact. Let everything cool down first, so that way the glue can re-solidify. Next, I want to take the positive wire from the buzzer and the positive wire from the battery clip, and I want to connect those two together. Simple wire twist and solder, just like this, and then glue down the wire. There we go, just like this. Now I want to take my battery clip, and I want to connect the battery to it. And I want to get the idea of where I want to position the battery. I want to put some hot glue onto the battery clip so that way the battery clip can be glued into place, but not the battery. Next, I have some extended negative wire, and I'm going to connect that to the battery clip and connect that to the hook. And I'm going to use shrink tubing to keep things a little bit more insulated. Solder it together just like this. I'm going to tin the hook just like that, so solder contact is easy. There we go, just like that. Now it's tinned. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect the wire to the hook. There we go, now it's connected together. Get some shrink tubing and insulate the wires. There we go, should look just like this. And there you have it, the circuit is now complete. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Touch this wire to this wire and close the circuit. Yep, it works. Next, want to bend open the hook just like this. Slip it through the wire, just like that, and then close it. And there you have it. Now you're ready to play the game. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a BuzzWire game made by just simple two components. An automatic buzzer and a 9-volt battery and some wire. And there you have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and play the game and see if I can do it. I already lost. Let's try it again. I already lost. I actually made this a little difficult for myself, so let me try again. Okay. I lost. Okay, well, you get the idea. Just playing it through like this. Like that. I don't care if I lose, whatever. And of course, if you want to change the difficulty in the game, you can change the position of the wire by changing it to any position that you desire. You can make it hard, you can make it easy, you can make it any way you want. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.